Maths Part 1st Standard 10 Unit number 2 Quadratic Equation Practice Set 2.2 All questions are solved here. Friends, watch this video till the end. See and solve the example given below the end of video.
I am Rajendra Jadhav. Today we are going to learn about problem set 2.2. Second part of unit number 2 quadratic equation is given to YouTube channel. First see it. See the example number 1, 2, 3, 8 and 10, and let us see the next part of the problem set 2.2. Question: solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. 4 number example, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Example number 4, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. First write down this equation. M square is equal to 22m plus 15. This equation is write down in standard form of quadratic equation. 5m square, 22 goes to minus 22m, 15 goes to minus 15. 15 is equal to 0. The multiplication of constant number and coefficient of m square is equal to 5 into minus 15 is equal to minus 75. 15 5 is minus 75. Find two factor of 75 is sum is minus 22. The factor of 75 is equal to 25 and 3. 25 into 3 plus 75. Here the multiplication of two number is minus. It means the sign one factor is the minus. Minus 25 into 3 is equal to minus 75. Minus 25 plus 3 is equal to minus 22. Write down this factor. Minus 22m means minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Find out the common factor. M is the common and 5 is the common. The factor of 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 5 is the common and m is the common factor. 5m is guessed to common, remaining m minus 5. Next two term, 3m. The factor of 15 is equal to 5 into 3. 3m and 3 are the common factor of these two terms. 3 is a common, m minus remaining the factor of 15 is equal to 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, in these two terms, m minus 5 and m minus 5 is a common. M minus 5 is a common and remaining 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus 5 or 5m is equal to minus 3. M is equal to 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Therefore, 5 minus 3 pi upon 5 are the are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. In this type, solve the above example. See the next example in problem set 2.2, example number 5. 2x square minus 2x plus 1 half is equal to 0. First write down this equation. 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is 2 and constant term 1 half. Multiply 2 into 1 half is equal to 1, 2 cancelling 2. The sum of 2 factor of 1 is minus 2 and factor of 1 is equal to 1 1 जा 1, but sum is a minus 2, it gives sign minus 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 multiplication plus, the sum of two minus number is minus. Write down minus 2x factor minus 1 minus 1, 2x square minus x plus 1 half is equal to 0. In these two terms have x is a common, but next two term is not a common factor. It means write x in this form. X is equal to multiply by x2 and divide by 2, then the value of this term is x in this form. Why write like this form? Because it gives the common factor is 1 half. Write down 2x square minus x minus 2x upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. In these two terms common factor is x, remaining first term 2x minus 1. Second two term is common factor is 1 half, 1 upon 2, remaining here 2x, its minus 1 is equal to 0. Two bracket are same, give the common this bracket 2x minus 1, next bracket x minus 1 half is equal to 0. The multiplication of two number is equal to 0, therefore 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 half is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 1, right side plus, x is equal to minus half, right side plus 1 half, x is equal to 1, 2 gives dividing, or x is equal to 1 half. 1 half is the root of the given quadratic equation. The both are same, therefore 1 half are the roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. In this type, solve above example. See the next example, problem set 2.26 number example. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Write down first this equation. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Multiplying each term of the equation by x Why multiplying x? Because it is the right in the this equation right in the standard form. Therefore multiplying each term of the equation by x. Write down 6x into x minus 2 into upon x into x is equal to 1 into x. 6x into x, 6x square, x cancelled, minus 2 is equal to 1x. 1x goes to left side, 6x square minus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Factorize the first number of x square coefficient 6 and constant term minus 2. Multiplication of two number 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 12. Find two factor of minus 12 and multiplication minus 12 and sum is the minus 1. 4 3 is a 12, but 4 is a minus because multiplication is a sign minus and the sum of two number is equal to minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Write down minus 1 in this form: x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Give the common factor of two term. X is a common, but 6 is a 2 factor, 3 2s are 6 and 4 is a 2 factor, 2 2s are 4, and therefore 6 and 4 have 2 is a common factor. Write down 2 and x is the common factor. First term remaining 3x minus second term is remaining term 2 plus second 2 term common 1, remaining first term 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus 2 is the common bracket and remaining part 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to plus 2 or 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 2 upon 3 or x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. 2 is the multiplication, it gives to division. Therefore 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. See the below example in problem set 2.2. Example number 7. Complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 by the factorization method. Solution: root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. The multiplication of two number the coefficient of x square as constant number root 2 into 5 into root 2. Root 2, the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Write down 2 into 2. The multiplication is 10. Find 2 factor of 10 is the multiplication 10 and the sum is the 7. The factor is 5 2. Multiplication is 10 and the sum is 7. Write down 7x in this form, 5x plus 2x. First box fill 5x and next 2x. Give the common factor of 2 term is x. Remaining part of 2 term is root 2x plus 5. In this 2 term, common factor gives root 2. Therefore, 2x write in this form, root 2x and root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 and x is x. This 2 term is equal to 2x and give the common root 2. Give the common 2x root 2. The remaining part of first term is root 2x minus plus remaining part 5. Common bracket root 2x plus 5. Remaining part in second bracket 2 x plus root 2. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Find the value of x. Solve rough page. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. In this box value is minus 5 root 2. Therefore, the roots of the given equation are minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2. This type of question asked in your question paper, question number 2A and 3A. The marks gives 2A question activity based 4 marks and 3A marks 3. Total 7 marks are asked in this type question activity based question. Example number 9. 2m in bracket m minus 24 bracket complete is equal to 50. Write down 2m m minus 24 is equal to 50. First solve the bracket, multiply by 2m. 2m into m, 2m square minus 2 into 4, 24, 48m plus 50. 50 goes to left side. 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. Multiplying each term of the equation is 2. Multiplying 9. Dividing each term of the equation by 2. First term divide 2, remaining m square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. The multiplication of two terms, m square coefficient 1 and constant term minus 25, 1 into coefficient of m square and constant term multiplication 1 into minus 25 is equal to minus 25. The sum of two factor is a minus 24, 25, 1 जा 25 minus 25. Multiplication of two number is minus 25 and the sum of two number is minus 24. Write down in this form. Minus 24 is m square minus 25m plus m minus 25. Two term m is the common factor, remaining part m minus 25. In this two term 1 is the common, m minus 25 is equal to 0. Common bracket m minus 25 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 25 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 25 and minus 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. In this type, solve above example number 11. 7m square is equal to 20m, 21m. 7m square is equal to 21m. 21m gives to left side minus 21m is equal to 0. Give the common factor of these two terms 7m. 21 means 2 part, factor 2 7, 3 is 21, 7 is the common part, 7m is the common, remaining m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, two term multiplication is 0. Therefore, 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. m is equal to 7 upon 0 or m is equal to 3. Therefore, m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 3. 0, 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Example number 12. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. First write down this equation. How to solve this equation? Using the expansion formula, a square minus b square is the sum of two number and sum of two subtraction. M square minus 11, write down in this form, root of 11 square is equal to 0. First term m and second term is root 11. Write down in first term m plus root 11 and second term m minus root 11 is equal to 0. Therefore, m plus root 11 is equal to 0 or m minus root 11 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to minus root 11 or m is equal to plus root 11. Therefore minus root 11 and root 11 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Hi friends, below are example for more practice. Solve it and send it my WhatsApp number 9850169389. Send the solved example in my WhatsApp number.